What is the difference between loans and advances? Let's understand. First of all, what do we mean by loan? This is a sum of money which is borrowed for a specific purpose, and this loan have to be repaid in installments with interest. So that is loan. Then what do we mean by advances? Advances are basically short-term financial assistance. These are generally provided to meet the working capital requirements of the business or any other urgent requirements. So if you look at it from tenure point of view, loans are generally for a longer period, let's say greater than 1 year, whereas advances are for shorter period, less than or equal to 1 year. Loans are widely raised for capex purposes. It can be for buying property, it can be for vehicles, it can be for business expansion, whereas advances, as I mentioned in the beginning itself, they are short-term credit facilities. They are meant for working capital needs of the business or operational expenses or for meeting immediate requirements. Interest on loans will be generally higher because of the term premium, because the tenor is going to be longer, so there is a higher risk, so tenor premium will be loaded and interest will be higher, whereas for advances the interest will be comparatively lower, and if you look at the repayment, loans will be generally repaid as EMI, that is equated monthly installments, whereas advances, they are repayable within 1 year and generally repayment will happen as a lump sum. The examples for loans can be like home loan, they can be personal loan, they can be business loan, educational loan, and so on. And examples for advances can be like cash credit, overdraft, bill discounting, export finance, and so on. And here we go, Credit and Financial Analysis Mastery course. It's a comprehensive pre-recorded online course that comes with 15 modules of video lectures, basically 70 plus hours of video contents, multiple ebooks and reading materials related to credit and financial analysis that will make up another 30 plus hours of content. So totally it is 100 plus hours of learning resources. Then you will also get access to a private community in Telegram for clarifying your doubts in credit and financial domain. Then you also have the flexibility to choose 1 year subscription or lifetime subscription depending upon your learning goals. So by joining this course, you will learn basics of credit analysis, how to read balance sheet, financial ratio analysis, cash flow, fund flow analysis, how to arrive at credit risk rating, how to prepare CMA report, cash budget, how to assess credit facilities like CC, OD, LC, BG, term loan, how to write bank loan proposal, and you will also have access to case studies related to credit analysis. So to join this course, to know more about the course, comment CFA, and I'll share the details with you.